Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this new headband unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have another headband unit by Zury. They did want you to know that this is a antibacterial cap. I have it in the style Hulu in the color number 1B. Here's how she looks. She does have like a slight yucky texture but mostly silky, and it does come with this breathable stretchable mesh cap, and it is big head friendly. It's average to big head friendly. I have a big head, so it does come with the velour headband as well as the velcro like your traditional headband unit. It does come with 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. There are no adjustable straps. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the unit, which is fairly simple. All you do is make sure that your hair is flat. You apply the unit and then you velcro it together in the back. I like to pin the hair up so that it's not in my way when I'm trying to velcro it. I feel like, or attach the velcro, excuse me. And this unit is just gorgeous, like as you guys can see, like just like that simple, like you guys can be slaying. Okay, and you do not have to wear any of your edges out, or if you don't have any edges to wear out, you definitely don't have to do that. And you can apply a headband on top of this, which you guys will see me do later on in the video. Now as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience a little bit, but it's not anything where I would be like, don't get this unit. As you guys can see, that's why I left a longer clip. So now I'm just applying this hair scarf thingy that I got from Amazon. I'll try to have a link in the description box below, and if I don't, all you guys have to do is remind me, because I am forgetful, and I will go ahead and apply the link to your comment as well as in the description box. Ooh, I can't talk today. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so today we are here to talk about this fabulous girl right here. Her name is VB-H Hulu, and today I have her in the color number 1B. So let's just get right into it. So let's go ahead and start off with the cons, because I definitely did have I only had one con with this actually. So let's just talk about it and get it out the way. So the only con that I had with it is that it does shed a little bit and it does tangle a little bit, but once you run your fingers through it and if you brush it out, I just chose to run my fingers through it for a more natural type of feel, and I just okay, we're talking about the cons. So that's what I didn't like. I did not like that there was a little bit of shedding and tangling. However, is that something to say don't buy this wig? No, because it wasn't that much. But if I was to say any cons, that would be it. So let's go ahead and talk about the pros. So the pros, honey, first of all, the quality of this construction. Okay, that's number one, like the construction of the unit. So the hair is absolutely soft. It feels like human hair. I did do the other one from this collection, from their headband wig collection, called Eula, and that one feels like human hair. This one feels like human hair as well, and it also looks like human hair too. Okay, so I am just here for it. Like, I don't know what potion Zury used to make these hair fibers, but honey, it feel like human hair. Okay, so you definitely gonna want to get you this unit. Okay, but yeah, it feels so freaking soft. I love how bouncy the curls are. They're just so bouncy and beautiful, and even after you run your fingers through them, the curls are still just very, very gorgeous and bouncy and full of life. So I really do like that. As far as the cap goes, I really do like this cap. Now, one thing I forgot to mention in the last video is that this is a antibacterial breathable cap, so that is really good as well. Obviously you do want to go ahead and check out the care instructions for this unit and make sure that you are sanitizing it and cleaning it if you do plan to continue to wear it, because you know we got a lot of stuff going on, and girl, you should wash your wig anyway. So yeah, and I love the fact that they give you like in detail like instructions on how to apply the wig, even though you know a headband wig is easy to apply, but everybody doesn't know. So I love the fact that they do that. I also love the fact that it has the velour. You guys seen in the last video, and if you didn't see the last video, definitely go and watch it. In the last video I actually didn't even put on a headband because the velour band that it comes with is really, really cute, and I do like it, so I like that. I also like the fact that it does add security to your wig. So what I mean by that is the velour band that they have on there is very, very similar to a wig grip, so you will not have to worry about your wig sliding back because of the material of it, and Zury is absolutely brilliant for that, okay? Like, that is just amazing, okay? And it does have Velcro just like your traditional headband wig. I just overall really, really love it. Like, this is just a plus all the way around. I really do love the style. The texture of the hair is done nice, and this is under $30, and it's just such nice quality. Like, you would not expect the quality to pay less, but it's just so, like, you guys just don't understand. Like, look at these curls, how they're bouncing, and I just wish you can feel the hair. Like, if I could just be like, sis, feel this hair. Like, it's so soft and it's so beautiful, and it's just like, I definitely feel like everybody needs this wig. Like, if you wear wigs, like, you definitely need this one in your wig arsenal, because I'm telling you, girl, like, this hair and the quality, and look at those curls, like, they're just so bouncy and beautiful. Like, I just really like it. But overall, I really like this wig. I'm very, very impressed. I feel like Zury has the best cap construction of the headband wig overall. Like, that and I'm so serious, and I'm talking about on the board from human to synthetic. I haven't tried any synthetic headband wigs, but being that this is this one and then the other one that I tried, this is the best one. But I even like the construction better than I like the human hair wigs, and I'm just being completely honest with you, because it has like that no slip, and it has that security, and it's soft, so it's going to be gentle on your edges, and it's also going to be acting like a wig grip, and you could also just wear it by itself. Like, you don't have to put on a headband. Today I was just like, you know what, I'll just put one on because I didn't wear one in the last one, and I have a whole bunch of headbands now, so I'm like, I might as well do something with them, because obviously I'm not wearing them all the time. But yeah, overall, I really, really do love this unit. If you guys are interested in this unit, I definitely will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you fabulous divas in my next video. Bye.